Today I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. This is incredibly useful when you need to track what your team has accomplished or review finished work in one centralized location. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace if you manage multiple accounts, as this will determine which tasks and spaces you have access to. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll see various navigation options. Click on Spaces. This section houses all the different spaces within your workspace, and it's where you organize your projects and teams. Selecting Spaces gives you a clear view of all the areas where tasks might be stored. Now take a moment to identify which space contains the tasks you want to review. Once you've located the right space, click on it to select it. You'll notice a plus icon appears right beside the space name. Click on this plus icon and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Dashboard. This is where ClickUp allows you to create custom views and reports that help you visualize your data in meaningful ways. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a dashboard type. Go ahead and click on Task Management. This template is specifically designed for tracking and analyzing tasks, making it perfect for viewing completed work. It streamlines the setup process by offering pre-configured widgets that focus on task-related metrics. After selecting Task Management, you'll need to choose a data source. This step determines which tasks will populate your dashboard. Select the appropriate data source that corresponds to the space or list you're analyzing, then click Create Dashboard. ClickUp will take a moment to generate your new dashboard, pulling in all the relevant task data. Once your dashboard loads, look for a section or widget labeled Completed. Click on it. This widget is specifically designed to display all tasks that have been marked as complete within your selected data source. It acts as a central hub for reviewing finished work. And there you have it. You can now see all your completed tasks displayed clearly in one place. This view makes it easy to track progress, review past accomplishments, and ensure nothing has been overlooked. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.